Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. And in this video I will be explaining that how to fix no internet secure in Windows 10 or 11 PC and laptop. So I will be sharing few effects solution, and this will be applicable for you both your Wi-Fi and Ethernet connection. So the first thing that I would recommend you that please make sure that none of the proxy server has been enabled. So click on your Windows search bar and type here inetcpl.cpl. So once it's typed, just hit enter and the internet properties will be up. Now here from the top menu option, click on connections, then click on LAN settings, and here you just make sure under proxy server this option, use a proxy server for your LAN. This option has been unchecked. If it's been checked, then you need to uncheck it. Then click on apply and then you have to click on OK. So once done, next you need to click on your Windows search bar again, and this time type here ncpa.cpl, and after that hit enter. And now here you will see all kind of your network connection like your Ethernet or Wi-Fi. So whichever internet you are using right now, just click on it, then click on properties. The properties box will be up. Now here you have to look for internet protocol version 6. So once you get it, just need to uncheck this option, and then you have to click on OK. Again right click on the network adapter, and this time choose for properties, and you have to go with the internet protocol version 4. Now double click on it, and now here you just make sure that both those options are being checked to obtain an IP address automatically and obtain DNS server address automatically. So once it is done, you need to click on OK, and then click on OK again. Now finally make a right click on it and choose disable. Again wait for a few of seconds and make a right click on it, and this time choose enable. Alright, so those are the basic settings that you need to apply, and once done you can close it. And next click on your Windows search bar again, and this time type reset. Then on the suggestion you have to click on network reset. Once the window open up, here you have to click on reset now. So once it's been reset, if you are connected with a Wi-Fi, then you will have to enter the password again. So make sure that you remember the password of your Wi-Fi, then click on reset now. Then you have to reset your PC or laptop and again try to connect to your network with your password, and I am pretty sure that your problem will be fixed. If this work for you, please hit the like button and click on the subscribe button also. If you have any type of question, then contact with me or comment on the comment section. I will reply you. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.